evening all my dear children. Look here, we are going to start the same lesson whatever we have started, that is the cube and cube roots. It is for the class 8. And right now where we have reached, actually we are completing our introduction part, and where I have told you some of the basic concepts in the same series. Some of the things which are going to be very much important while we will solve our practice exercises, that we have to deal it right now. Right now see what I have written. You can see here, students, rules for the last digit of cube. See here, and it is going to be very much important for finding the answer within seconds. Whenever we will solving the practice exercise, at that time I will tell you how to get the answers within seconds. Right now see what are the rules. First you try to understand these rules. After that things are going to be very much easier for us. Look here, what I have written here. Number first, any number ending with the last digit. Ending with the last digit means I am going to talk about the ones place digit. I am going to talk about the ones place digit. So either the ones place digit is 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. How many digits are there? Actually there are 6 digits. Either it is 0, either it is 1, either it is 4, either it is 5, either it is 6, either it is 9. Sequence is very much important. Sequence is not important, but you should remember how many digits are there. Either 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. So there are the 6 digits. So any number whose last digit is either 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 means these digits should come actually at the ones place. So what happen? Gives the cube. So if you are finding the cube of this particular number, so you will find the same digits. You will find the same digits at the ones place. You will find the same digits at the one place respectively. What is the meaning of respectively here? Means, for example, it is in the series. Means with the example you will try to understand. Look here. For example, we are finding the 10 cube. So what is my answer coming? 1000. Okay, you can see 0 is there, last digit is 0, and again whenever I am taking the cube of it, so again I am getting the 0 at the end. Okay, same like that. 4 cube is 64. Again you can match. What I am finding 4 cube, and again I am getting the 4 as the last digit. Right now 5 cube equal to 125. Again I am getting the 5 as a last digit. Same like that you can see 1 cube is equal to 1, 6 cube is equal to 216, 9 cube is equal to 729. So what is the rule actually says? Rule actually says to me, any number whose last digit or whose ones place digit is 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. So when we are finding the cube or cube root of such kind of the number, so we will get the same number at the ones place digit or as a last digit. Okay, right now see the second rule. Any of the number ending with the last digit 8. Any of the number ending with the last digit 8, it will give the cube or cube root having the last digit 2. Means there is a connection in between 2 and 8. There is a connection in between 2 and 8. Means any of the number whose last digit or whose ones place digit is 8. So if I am getting the cube of that particular number, so I will get the number whose last digit will become 8. Okay, if 2 is the last number and if I am finding the cube, so I will get the cube whose last digit will become 8. And if it is the reverse, if the last digit will become 8, and if I am finding the cube of that number, so I will get the last digit as a 8. Same thing is written here. Any number ending with the last digit 8 will give me the cube or cube root having the last digit 2, means 8. 8 kind of the number will give me the 2 as a last digit. And similarly, digits having the 2 as a last number, it will give me the cube having the 8 as the last digit. With the help of the example, things will be clear to you. See here, 2 cube, it is giving me 8. You can see 2 is the last number. When I am finding the cube, I am getting 8. And the reverse is also true. 8 cube, I am finding 2 at the last digit. So there is a connection in between 2 and 8. Same like that, there is a connection in between 3 and 7. Same thing is written here. Any number ending with the last digit 3 will give us the cube having the last digit 7. If the 3 is the last number and if I am finding the cube, so what I will get, the last digit in the cube, I will get 7 in the cube of, okay, in the number of that cube. Okay, same like that, any of the number having 7 as the last digit and if I am finding the cube, so I will get the 3 as a last digit. See here the example, 3 cube, it is giving me 27. 3 is the last digit. I am finding the cube. So what I am getting as a last digit? 7. 27 last digit is 7. Same like that, if I am finding the 7 cube, so 7 is the last digit here. And what I am getting the last digit in the cube of 7? So 7 cube, it is giving me 343. Last digit is 3. So these 3 rules are covering all the 10 digits. Right now you can see 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. There are 6 number are already finished in the first rule. And after that there is a connection in between 2 and 8, and there is a connection in between 3 and 7. So in this way, these rules are very much important for all of us. Right now see, lastly I have written some patterns. There are actually some of the patterns are there that we need to understand, and it helps us to solve some kind of the problem. See here, it is related to the cube of the number. See, 1 cube plus 2 cube, if you are solving it, actually 1 cube plus 2 cube, it is directly equal to 1 plus 2 whole square. See how? 1 cube, it is giving you 1, 2 cube, it is giving you 8. So 8 plus 1 equal to 9. Same like that here, if you are solving the right hand side also, so 1 plus 2, it is 3. And what is the 3 square? Directly 9. Same like that, if you are finding 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube, so what you are actually getting, let me solve here. 4 cube 64, 3 cube 27, 2 cube 8, and let me solve here. 4 cube 64, 3 cube 27, 2 cube 8, and 1 cube 1. If I am adding these all, cube of all the numbers, 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, and 4 cube. So see here, 8, 7, 15, 15, 4, 19 and 1, 20, 2 on carry, 6 to 8, 8 and 2, 100. I am getting 100 on the left hand side. And see here, what I am getting here, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, and 10 square, it is exactly 100. Meaning is that both the sides, left hand side and right hand side, both are equal to each other. So by this, both the things, what is the conclusion which is coming out in front of us? The conclusion is that this is the conclusion, and it is very, very important for all of you. That I am circling here. See, sum of the cube of n natural number. Sum of the cube of n natural number. Either it is 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, 6 cube, 7 cube, till how you want to take. So sum of the cubes of n natural number is always equal to the sum of their square. Sum of their square. The rule says that if I want to find the cube of some of the number like 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube plus 5 cube, so directly what should I do? I should add all the numbers which I am considering, and finally I should get their square. So both are equal to each other. Right now see the next interesting pattern which I have to tell you. Look here. See here, this is the another rule. Second interesting pattern is that actually this is the rule a cube minus b cube should be always equal to a minus b whole cube plus 3ab a minus b. Actually this is the rule, and that particular rule you have to remember, and in this way you can solve so many questions directly. How? Look here. For example, if the question is 7 cube minus 6 cube, so it is very much helpful for the numbers which are the consecutive numbers. Consecutive numbers means lagatar. For example, 6 after 7 is coming, 5 after 6 is coming. So if I want to find out the difference of the cube of two consecutive number, so this particular formula will be in use. See how much easy it is. A minus b whole cube means 7 minus 6 whole cube, plus 3 into a into b means 3 into 6 into 7, or you can write down 7 into 6 if you are considering a as a 7. After that 7 minus 6. Right now see, 7 minus 6 will give me 1. Here also I am getting 1 because 7 minus 6 is again 1, and only I have to multiply this particular thing. So 7 6 is 42 into 3. So what is the thing I am getting here? 1 plus, this is giving me 3 2 is 6, 3 4 is 12. Meaning is that 127. So with the help of this particular formula, I am getting the answers quickly. Right now you can see This is the formula a minus b whole cube plus 3ab a minus b. So here also and here also I will get 1 in every cases. Another example you can see. For example, I have to find out 5 cube minus 4 cube. So what will be my answer directly? 5 minus 4 whole cube plus 3 into 5 into 4, and here also 5 minus 4. My answer will directly come 1 cube here plus 1 cube here, and here 5 3 ja 15, 4 ja 16 to 1. Directly 1 plus 60, answer will be 61. Another problem I am solving in front of you. Look here. For example, 9 cube minus 8 cube. So directly I can write down 9 minus 8 whole cube plus 3 into 9 into 8, and here 9 minus 8. My answer will be here 1 cube. In every cases you can see I am getting 1 cube, 1 cube, 1 cube here also, and within the bracket also. Right now see 9 3 ja 27 into 8, and 9 in minus 8 1. So 1 plus I have to multiply only. 8 7 ja 56, carry on 5, 8 2 ja 16, 16 plus 5 21. So directly I am getting 217. So with the help of this particular formula, I can find out the answers quickly, and that's why it is going to be very much helpful for me. So these are the two interesting patterns. In the first pattern, we are getting the sum of the cubes of n natural number, and which is directly equal to the square of their sum. And in the second pattern, we should learn the formula, and by this only I can get my answers quickly. Right now see, two things are also remembered here. Look here. Okay, whatever the things left, I will deal in the next lecture. Thank you.